fish. New species. It's a new species. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of iFishLI. Today I'm going to be heading to the North Shore for some striper fishing. I'm going to be meeting up with my friend in a minute. We're going to hit 7-Eleven, grab some Red Bulls, and then head up north. I'm going to be starting out throwing a Bass Assassin and switching between that and a topwater lure. It is 4:30 a.m. right now, so I'm really hoping I can get on a really good early bite. It's supposed to be really hot later in the day, so I'm thinking in the morning they might be fired up on like a nice warm morning. I don't know. Hopefully it'll be good. Really haven't caught a striper in a little while, so it'd be nice to get on a decent one. So I'll see you guys down at the water. It's a beautiful morning, a little drizzle. Gonna get on some fish. Working the Bass Assassin first.
We're gonna move out there, right?
Eventually, we're gonna start moving that way. Bro, my reel's working. Yes, I saw him wake on it. There's something wrong with my reel. I saw him wake on it. Buddy. Oh, there we go. Let's go. I'll remember where he's up to. Up to the middle where it says stick. Alright. Can I go now? Fish of the day, hit the Bass Assassin. That was pretty awesome. I don't know, there's something wrong with my reel. I don't know what's up with that, but gonna get back out there. Nice little sea robin for Al. Need help?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Little guy. Go. Good workout. There we go. Fish. Can you film? Yeah. What? That was first cast on the oh, cast. You don't, you need to film. You don't need cast at that. That was the first cast on the paddle tail. He slammed it. Oh. He's not fighting. Choked it. Nice one. Totally choked it. The last one was bigger though. Got the hook out. See the release on him. Underwater. Kicked off good. That guy was on the paddle tail. Robin of the year. First of many. So cool. Oh, he's literally right there. Literally right there.
Let him have.
Pulled it out of his mouth. He's right there. This thing's so stupid. There we go. This one's even bigger. Holy crap. It's a big sea robin. Look at his head. The water's so blue. Right now I get them off Amazon, which is so annoying. Fish. It's a little striper. Oh no, it's a shad. Bro, I've never caught a shad before. New species. It's a new species. Get him in. Get him in. Let's go. Species number 41. I don't know what kind of shad this is.
All-time species?
Yeah, ever. Could be American
Those like the baby bait
or
fish?
hickory. What?
Those like the baby bait fish that are.
That's not bait fish. Yo, let's go. New species. Okay. Species number 41. It's either American or hickory shad. Let's get him back in. Oh. He's probably gonna end up being striper food. He's a big shad. Go. Alright, no, he's swimming off fine. Alright, come on, buddy. There he goes. Yeah, the big ones will.
Oh, sorry.
Oh my god. Let's go. Let's go. Go. I want to snap my rod. On it a day. I ended up with 2 stripers, 3 sea robin, and 1 new species of shad, which is pretty awesome. I got one of my bigger stripers this year, around 24-25 inches. That was early in the morning, around 5 a.m. On the Bass Assassin, and then my second striper hit it immediately when I put the paddle tail swim bait on. They both kind of hit it right when it hit the water. And then the sea robins, they were just following my paddle tail in, and so I was just pitching in front of them and just like sight casting them. It was pretty cool. And then the shad I got at this spot, totally unexpected on the Bass Assassin. I thought it was a tiny striper. It turned out to be a new species of shad. I'm gonna have to identify that, and then I'll get back to you guys and let you know what kind of species of shad it was. But I'm pretty excited about that. That's species 41 for me on my life list. And also one thing that happened today is I lost like 5 lures, which cost me like $30 altogether. So I'm gonna have to go home and order some new lures because I'm getting low on lures now. With the pandemic, I haven't been able to buy lures at the store, so it's pretty annoying, but it is what it is. It's gonna cost me some money, but it happens. I don't mind spending money on fishing. Yeah, all in all though, it was a great day of fishing. It's a beautiful morning out here. I really like North Shore fishing. It's just, I don't know, I just find it way more nice than the South Shore. I don't know, it's just me. Yeah, I might take a few more casts, maybe lose one more lure, who knows. But I'm definitely gonna get out here again next week, so stay tuned for more striper videos. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this video, and please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell.